All right. So what I'd like to be able to do now is, after we have this list of courses, we'd like to maybe click on or select a particular course and see any information, any detailed information about that one course. Right? We might want to see the description of the course, the modules, the lessons, and whatnot that describe that particular course. So to do that, we're going to need to navigate to a separate screen, right, that shows the details of that course. Right? So for instance, we might have a separate component that shows and displays the content of that course. Right? We might call it. We might call that component. Right? We can create a brand new component. We might call it maybe like a course viewer. Right? So we can generate a new component that can display the details of that course. We'll call it maybe course viewer. All right, so that's going to generate a new component. It creates the 4 artifacts that implement that component, and we can see it in our IDE. Right, notice that there it is. Right, it creates a directory with all those 4 components. We can show that course viewer in our root component. Right, notice that in our root component we're displaying some content here. We're displaying the course list. We're displaying some dummy content, right, that is rendering down below. Hello from Angular. Let's remove this dummy content, right? Let's save that, and so there it is. So we took that away, and we can render this new course viewer. There it is, right? And right now, if we go in there, we'll see that we're displaying the default content for our course viewer, right? If we navigate into our course viewer, we see that the component is just a class, right? That renders whatever the HTML that is associated to that component. If we go in there, we'll see that indeed it's just some dummy content, right? So this might be, better content for this might be, course viewer. Okay, so there it is, course viewer down below. So what, instead of displaying both the list of courses and then the course viewer below, ideally what we'd like to be able to do is go back and forth and between 2 screens, right, that I can navigate whenever I click on a particular course. I show the course viewer, and then I can maybe go back and display the list of courses. So let's introduce a navigation between these two so that I could navigate between one or the other